me see what's in it. Oh, it's just ammo. More ammo. Oh, there's more up there.
Oh, it's a metal crate. Oh, I got a key card! I got a key. Oh my god, look how many crates there are. Oh, another key. Wow, I'm eating stacked on hamburgers right now.
Yeah, I'm gonna take that crate. Because last time you got to have it.
No. You got this crate. I'll take this crate. Oh, I got a baseball bat.
Wait, security card!
We can double wheel. Baseball bat, and then that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take a baseball bat. Oh shit. Down.
They got their Air Force.
They have more, but that's fine.
I'm jumping down. So there's a problem.
Yeah, just a tiny one.
An RPG.
Take the RPG and I'll take the hamburger. Get something out of this crate. Yeah, it's 2.
2 vectors. So we can dual wield pistols too.
Yeah, I mean, you got an RPG. You got Anna?
No!
Okay.
I got 2 hamburgers.
I have 4. We're not ready to fix that! We're not ready to fix that! Never mind, I guess we are.
Oh! Got him! Except I only got like 3 more bullets left. And I have
only
a
have
terrible
4.
melee.
Let's go. Keep on going. Oh, God.
Got some ammo. Trying to kill him. This one. Come on, let's move.
You know what?
Whatever. Ooh, jackpot of ammo. I'm getting a lot of ammo.